In today's episode, we've got something so exciting. We've been waiting a long time for this, and that's going to be talking about the new three-phase range, Tim. So we're going to be branching out slightly from what we currently do on the single phase up to 100 amp, and we're going to be moving into three-phase. So we've got a right load of products here in front of us, and we've also got a complete series on three-phase, talking about different things. Part L, we're going to be talking about can you do stuff with certain three-phase boards. We're also going to be talking about the features and benefits of the products. We're also going to be talking about RCDs as well and type B, and then we're also going to go into a bit of characteristics on the curves of breakers, so B, C and D curves. So stay tuned, because we're going to have a lot of information being provided around the Elucian and the three-phase boards that we've got in front of us here today. We just want to let you know why we've done what we've done, how we've come up with the design, and really just to show that we've put a lot of thought and effort into the design of these products. We have packed in lots of features purely to make it easy for you guys that are out there installing the product itself. So also, while we're at it, we may as well just talk about really why we've done it, Tim. It's the next evolution of the business, first and foremost, and it's also that we wanted to ensure that there was a great product out there on the market. So we've been in the process for around about 2.5 years now. We've thought about everything, making it completely useful for you guys. We've got 250 amp devices, we've got 4-way right the way up to 24-way, we've got extension boards, we've got SPDs built into there, we've got energy monitors built into there as well. So it has been a real well thought out design from the guys at the development team here at the Scolmore Group. So like I say, stay tuned for the rest of the series, and we'll see you on the next one.